What's up, ShipRockers? This is Phil Buckman from Fuel, and I am stoked to be joining the Stowaways on board ShipRocked once again this February. I'll be joined by a ton of friends such as
Juliana from Silver,
Joey from the band Logo,
Chris Volz from Flaw here,
Will Hunt, the drummer for Evanescence.
What up, Lukas Rossi here.
This is Geno Lenardo,
Jasen Womack from Fuel,
Gabe Aranda from the band Aranda,
Bob Morse from The Offspring,
Carley Smithson from We Are the Fallen,
AP from Gemini Syndrome,
JR from Love and Death,
Jason from Breaking Benjamin,
Rob from Nonpoint, Chef Fabb from Black Label Society,
Dameon from Aranda,
Mark Valalunga from Nothing More,
CJ Pierce here from Pool,
Andy Vargas of Santana,
Burton Bell from Fear Factory.
It's Jasen Moreno, and I sing for Pool.
Clint.
And Morgan from Sevendust.
Yeah, it's going to be cool. Some of us are going to be arriving early to hijack this little pre-party parade the captain's been talking about. In fact, stay tuned because we're going to be announcing instructions on how two of you can ride with us on our hijacked float. Now don't worry because we will have plenty of beats to throw out so the French Quarter never forgets our little takeover. After the parade, we will hit Bourbon Street, toss back a cocktail or 7, and celebrate seeing old friends again, as well as the fact that we are hitting the high seas on the ultimate rock cruise music vacation, ShipRocked. See you in February.
Don't suck! I vouch for you!